What's up YouTube? Jeff back again. Today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today, as usual, we have another Samsung update rolling out. This one to the Samsung Internet Browser beta application, which if you are a beta tester for Samsung Internet Browser, you get some of the new features earlier than you would get in the stable app. And there's actually two separate apps. There's one for beta and one for stable, just like kind of like Google Chrome. So we're going to talk about this update today. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys, if you didn't see my previous video, we're starting a new community rewards program here on the channel where you can sign up every month. It will open and then you can sign up to get a guaranteed prize. This month, the minimum prize amount is $25 USD. There is a cap on the number of people who can enter every month. There's a 150 person cap and it's USA only for now, but I'm going to try to expand it to international winners. You can only win once every 6 months, but this is not a random prize. If you do get in before the form closes, which it's still open as the time I made this video, so far only about half the people have signed up, so about 75 out of 150. Fill in your information here and we will ship you out a prize. They're going to be randomly assigned prizes, of course, and we can't really offer substitutions or preferences, but a guaranteed prize is pretty cool, and this is just a thank you for you guys participating in the channel. If you drop a comment below, put your information here for shipping and also your phone model, just in case you win like a case or something like that, we can ship it out to you. This will be in the pinned comment description if you guys want to check it out, and thank you for being a part of the channel. So today, let's talk about the update. It is the Samsung Internet beta application, and this is actually something I want to mention really quickly because I know a couple of other people commented about this. Some of the Samsung apps that you have on your Galaxy phone can be updated not only in the Galaxy Store, but also in the Play Store. And if you download one of those applications from the Play Store, then you will no longer be able to receive updates inside the Galaxy Store. And in fact, it will show you a previous version, whatever the current version was you had when you downloaded the application over on the Play Store. So if you look at this, my Samsung Internet beta, I knew there was an update that had come out a while ago and I wanted to cover it, but I kept checking the Galaxy Store and I was on the April 7th, 2023 version. And it turns out the reason is because I had actually originally updated this app and downloaded it rather on my S23 Ultra from the Play Store. So if you look in the Play Store, you can see I'm inside the actual application. And an interesting thing about this is, it's kind of strange, but there's a beta version of the beta. And I didn't even know this, but I'm gonna go ahead and join it. There's a beta version of the beta for Samsung Internet Beta inside the Google Play Store. Now, if you go down here, now you'll see that I do have the newest version, and the newest version is 22.031. And there are two new features. One of them is a tablet-specific feature, so I'll have to insert a little bit of B-roll or some photos so you guys can kind of see what it looks like on my Tab S8 Ultra. It's very hard to fit the whole Tab S8 Ultra on the screen because it's so big. But the main feature here is it increased the number of history lists displayed. So if you go into the Samsung Internet Browser beta, let's go down here and find it, Samsung Internet. You notice there are two, again, like I said, there's Internet and Internet Beta. So you want to go to this one. I have both because just for testing purposes. Now, if you go into the hamburger menu, go to settings, and you go down here, there's one thing that I found that I didn't notice in the previous version, which is this, the allow autoplays videos. I think this was in the stable version, but I don't know if it got removed from the previous beta. You guys will have to let me know if you had that there, but that's another thing that I saw that was new. And if you do download a new Samsung app, they give a little orange dot where the new features were, and that was actually highlighted in mine, but I can't really say if it's new or not. But then the new thing that they're saying for sure is if you go into history, now they're going to display more information in your history. So I think it went from something like the 5 most recent to the 10 most recent items inside your history. Of course, you also have video history up at the top in Samsung Internet Browser beta like we've had for quite a while. So this is really not like a huge change, obviously. Samsung really has been pushing out a lot of updates, but they've been minor changes. That's mainly because we're gearing up for the One UI 6.0 beta, and of course this big S23 Ultra update in June that's supposed to be 1.5 gigs. I'm sure there'll be some big changes coming down the pipeline. If you guys want to check, I'll insert some photos right here of what the new tab layout looks like. Basically, it gives you a little more room with your tabs so you can kind of see those around. That's the second feature that I just mentioned, improved tab manager list UX in the tablet devices, so you can take better advantage of that real estate that you have on the tablet. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've tried Samsung Internet Browser Beta, if you got the update. Again, if you guys want to join the community rewards, get a guaranteed prize just for being a part of the channel. You can check out the link in the description in the pinned comment. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.